Welcome back to Home Decor 101. Now, Christmas is a season of magic, and nothing sets the tone for a little magic and a festive celebration like the perfect color palette. Whether you're planning to keep it classic or you want to try something a little new and different, choosing the right colors can transform your home into a winter wonderland. In today's video, we'll explore stunning Christmas color palettes, what they represent, and how you can incorporate them into your home. Grab a drink, let's dive in. Start with a timeless Christmas trio, red, green, and gold. This palette exudes nostalgia and tradition. Red symbolizes love and joy, green represents renewal and life, and gold adds a touch of elegance and warmth. To achieve this look at home, opt for a lush green tree adorned with red and gold ornaments. Use plaid throws, velvet pillows, and gold candle holders to really layer texture, and of course incorporate natural elements like holly, berries, and fresh greenery. Step Rustic Christmas. Now, rustic palettes evoke the warmth of a cozy cabin in the woods. Browns, greens, and creams highlight the natural textures and create a grounding, earthy vibe. To recreate this style at home, use wooden ornaments, burlap ribbons, and pine cone garlands. Incorporate natural materials like jute, rattan, and wood. Decorate with handmade crafts or vintage-inspired pieces. So if you're looking for a notable example to really inspire you, the Tenaya Lodge near Yosemite National Park showcases rustic Christmas decor that feels both inviting and organic. Moving right along, if you're dreaming of a white Christmas, this palette embodies the magic of freshly fallen snow. And yes, I'm talking about Winter Wonderland White and Silver. White and silver create this really serene, elegant atmosphere, perfect for minimalist or modern homes. So to accomplish this at your home, decorate a frosted or flocked tree with white lights, silver ornaments, and crystal accents. Use white faux fur throws, silver candle holders, and clear glass vases to keep things really light and airy. Add subtle sparkle with glittery snowflakes or metallic ribbons. And if you need some inspiration for this, check out the Ice Hotel in Sweden. Have you all seen this or heard of it? It's beautiful. It often features icy white and silver decor that mirrors its frosty surroundings. So now let's take a look at a blue and white Christmas theme. This is Hanukkah-inspired elegance. For a sophisticated and serene twist on Christmas decor, try a blue and white palette. Blue symbolizes peace and harmony, while white adds purity and brightness. To bring this palette to life, choose a mix of navy and sky blue ornaments on a white or a heavily frosted green tree. You can incorporate blue and white striped or patterned textiles, and then add silver accents like menorah-inspired candlesticks to really elevate the look. Now, I know what you're saying. A lot of people that would celebrate Hanukkah wouldn't really celebrate Christmas or have this decor style, but my thought process is this is perfect for a family that is interfaith and has maybe someone that celebrates Christmas and someone that celebrates Hanukkah. That way you can kind of join the two together. Let's talk about jewel tones, emerald, sapphire, ruby. For a glamorous and luxurious Christmas, jewel tones are definitely the way to go. Now, it's not common, but these deep, rich colors add a lot of drama and sophistication to your decor. To embrace jewel tones, choose a deep green tree and really adorn it with sapphire blue, ruby red, and amethyst purple ornaments. Use velvet or silk fabrics in similar hues for pillows and table runners. And of course, pair with metallic accents like gold or brass for just an extra dose of opulence. If you need a visual example of this style, the Plaza Hotel in New York City often incorporates jewel tones in its holiday displays, giving it a really regal and royal touch. So now let's take a look at some Scandinavian minimalism. You'll see shades of white, red, and natural wood. Now this Scandinavian-inspired Christmas decor is really all about simplicity and hygge, a Danish concept of coziness. This palette combines clean white with pops of red and natural wood elements. For you to achieve this look at home, decorate a simple green tree with white and red ornaments. Use raw wood decorations such as wooden stars or reindeer. Also add cozy textures like knit blankets and faux fur rugs. Now, if you're needing some inspo, check out the Tivoli Gardens in Copenhagen. It's a really beautiful representation of Scandinavian Christmas charm. For a pastel Christmas, you're gonna see soft pinks, mint greens, and baby blues. And for whimsical and dreamy holiday look, you must try pastel colors. This palette feels light, playful, and perfect for those who want something a little different than the traditional color palette. So to create this look at home, choose a white or pink tree and decorate with pastel ornaments. Add soft colored textiles like blush pink or mint green throws. And of course, incorporate whimsical elements like candy cane stripes or even a snowflake motif. And if you want to see an example of this, many boutique hotels like the Beverly Hills Hotel adds pastel touches to their holiday decor for a really unique and one-of-a-kind twist on tradition. Really quickly, while I have a little bit of time, now that we've gone over the different color palettes, let's talk how to choose the right palette for your home. So when selecting a Christmas color palette, consider number 1, your home style. Match your palette to your existing decor for a cohesive look. So what I mean by that is maybe if you have a really dark color scheme, like you are into whimsy goth or dark and moody, it may be a little harder but not impossible to tie in a pastel color palette for your Christmas decor. But like I said, it's not impossible. And number 2, think about your personality. Go bold if you love drama. Keep it serene and chill if you prefer a really calm vibe. And then number 3, think about your budget. Start with items that you may already own and add new pieces to really enhance your chosen theme. Most of us have traditional Christmas decor somewhere that we've picked up along the years, the red and the green. So if you don't really know which color palette you want to go with, that's a great one to start with because a lot of us already have that. And then you can add to it. And then once you have a little more money to invest in your Christmas decor, because trust me, that is not a priority for most of us, or you're just ready to change it up a bit, then you can consider buying items from different home decor styles or Christmas decor styles in order to really give you the vibe you want. There you have it, some stunning Christmas color palettes to really inspire your holiday decor. Which palette speaks to your style? Let me know in the comments below whether you are choosing to stick with the traditional red, green, white, gold Christmas decor look, or if you're ready to take a walk on the wild side and throw in some pastels in there. We've covered a lot. Thank you for watching Home Decor 101. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's really ready to deck their halls. Until next time, happy decorating and Merry Christmas. My cat says Merry Christmas too.